Hello, everybody. How are you? Today we are going to work a lot. Today is Wednesday, 26th of August. We are going to have our meet, yes? And we are going to work with this sound. Look, I, as in pie. Can you see a pie here in the middle? And the same sound goes for tie. Look here. And look at these flies here. Yes? Wow. So you learned this new sound, and today we are going to read words with this sound. And look at this whale. What happened to the whale? We are going to watch a video. We are going to watch a video in which you will see the story of this whale in the ocean. And let's see what is the problem with it. And finally, we are going to make a list of the things we need for our bracelets. This is the bracelet that 4Ocean gives to help the ocean and to make it a better place. And we are going to prepare our own bracelet. Here is mine. But you will do yours for Friday. And today in the copybook, we are going to make a list of the things that we need to make it. Yes? Okay, kids, that's all for today. So, go ahead and we will sing hello together.